Hello everyone, welcome back to Uptudian. So today I am going to tell you an amazing job opportunity from one of the top IT company, that is Cognizant. Yes friends, Cognizant is hiring for the 2025 batch students through the Superset platform under their Gen Z hiring program. So if you are from the BTech or MTech and you are graduating in the year of 2025, then this video is for you. So do watch this video till the end because I will tell you about full job description of this, what the Cognizant is providing and what is eligibility criteria in order to apply for this, and also what are the required documents are there, and also some important tips which will help you in this hiring process too as well. And one last, that is how you can apply for this through the Superset, and also discuss the all things. Okay, so before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, so where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So let me first tell about what is Cognizant GenC job is all about. As we all know, GenC stands for the Generation Cognizant, so which is their a freshers level job for the BTech and as well as MTech students also. So this is the role is all about, like, they will be understanding the business needs and writing and testing the code, debugging the issues, what are all the occurring in the software, and also they are working, which is one of the modern, that is of agile development team, creating the technical documents and delivering the projects on time. So basically, if you want to start your IT career with the coding and the software development, this is the perfect role for you. Now let's talk about what are all the skills that are required for the Gen Z role in order to apply for this. So understanding the requirements very properly and writing and test the code in the Java, Python or any language which you are in proficient of, and also working in a team, like we can say that collaboration is also must and should, and follow the disciplines and as well as deadlines which are given by the clients and the companies and the team leader. So you should have like good communication skills in order to communicate to each other, and also conveying the information very much perfectly what you want to say to the person. And also they expect you to ready to learn a new technologies regularly. So if you are someone who enjoys the coding and learning, already a good fit is there. Okay, now let's talk about what is eligibility criteria, and this is a very important, so please listen very carefully as well. So first, only the 2025 batch students can only apply for this. Okay, I repeat, only the 2025 batch students can only apply for this job, and your course should be the BE BTech or ME MTech. So but some branches like leather, food tech, fashion tech are not eligible to apply for this program, that is for this Cognizant. So you must have a minimum 60% of marks in the 10th 12th diploma, UG and as well as PG as well. Okay, you must be scored minimum of 60% in all of your 10th 12th diploma and UG PG, and no rounding off like allowed, that is a 59.9% is also not allowed in this uh, program to apply for this. Okay, you must have the 60% or above in order to apply for this program, and at the time of joining you must not have any like backlogs in your BTech. Okay, you should be flexible to work from any Cognizant office, whatever they may give you the location. So based on the requirements, they will be giving you a posting to that location. You must be able to go there and do work over there, and you must be the Indian national or OCA, like currently living in the India only. So please double check your all marks, that is whatever I've been told before, so you are then eligible. If you are not at all checking up any of the things, then I might be telling you that you may not eligible to apply for this program. Okay, some of the mandate documents which are required to apply, so like while applying the process, like for the registration to the Superset, you might be required the resume, that is updated resume. I will be discussing later on that how you can like creating the account in the Superset and how you should be uploading those things. At that time I will be telling you. So the documents whatever the required is of resume which is updated should be there, and one of the passport size photo, and certifications like any like Java, Python, any of the things which you have been done the certifications later on before. Okay, and you should have the PAN card, so which should be like the name which should be matched in the superset login as well. Okay, so you must be create on that basis only, and you must be have like a voter ID card or passport, whatever it be. So like for verifying the citizenship that you are in the Indian person only. So these are all the things that the documents. Now let's talk the main part. Every person will be having the like confusion, that is what is the difference between the GenC, GenC Next and GenC Pro. So basically let's talk in detail now. Okay, so now many of the students that get confused, as I told before. For GenC, we can say that is of entry level software developer job. You should know the basics of coding and communication, then you will be allotted for the GenC if you have these all things. Okay, now in the GenC Next, that is high level of developer job it is. So you need to be very strong in the coding like Java, Python, full stack skills, cloud, data structures, and have the certifications of any of the programming languages or the skills and the technologies that you have been done before. Now the last, that is of GenC Pro. So for the students who have expertise in the specific platforms, like we can have the tools such as Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, cybersecurity, and so on, with the certifications where they have a globally recognized, right? So these are the candidates which will be coming under the GenC Pro. So depending on your skills and the resume, the Cognizant will decide, okay, not you. The Cognizant will be deciding that whether to shortlist you for the GenC or a GenC Next or the GenC Pro. Okay, now how to apply for this? So it is very simple. The link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirect this page, and just by simply press on apply now button, you can apply for this thing. But before, if you are new to the Superset account, and you must create your account first by signing up by giving your email ID. Okay, so that you will be getting the Superset ID. Okay, there are many videos in the YouTube where you can just search how you can create the Superset account and all those things. If you want me to do the video, I will do, but there are many videos too as well in the YouTube. You can just search it over there and you can just create the account. It is very simple, as much as simple, just by signing up, and you will be creating the account and you will be getting the Superset ID. So make sure you write it over there, any of the document you can save that Superset ID as well, and giving some of the basic details of your academic, and just upload your resume and just submit your passport size photo. It's very simple. Okay, and keep like just you can, and then after that you can just apply for this thing. So make sure all the communications, like you will be getting to test dates or all the like shortlisted or not, and further communications will be going to get you in your registered email only. Okay, so make sure you apply this for this program, that is of 19th May itself. Okay, by 19th May 12 p.m. it will get finished, and you are no longer will be taken the application. So make sure, we have only 4 days to apply for this, so make sure you apply before of the date. Okay, as I told that some of the bonus tips, so which will be helping you out, where you can just use these things. So tip number 1, I just want to say you that, so make a clean and attractive resumes, so with the coding skills and the certifications which you have before. And the tip number 2, practice basic coding questions on the platforms like the hacker rank, lead code, and they have usually like they will be testing you the logical thinking, how you are thinking while you're solving the problem, and what is the productivity you have, and how the way of thinking you are like solving the problem. They'll just thinking, and you can just develop these things by solving the more and more and more problems and do the coding in the platforms what I told. Okay, you can just, if you do better level of coding in that platforms, you will be getting some of the rank. So based on the rank also, they might be giving you the offers. Okay, so make sure you work on it. And the tip number 3, that is of communicate confidently. It is a major thing, and which is a mandate thing, which I can tell you in this present scenario world. Okay, so they will just test you that how well you explain your thinkings, like what you want to tell to the other person on anything, like you are telling them effectively what you want to say. Okay, and how you are speaking out, and what is a confidential you have, that is how much confident you are. They will be seeing like those things, like eye contacts, communication skills, and body gestures, and all those things. Like you can just go and see in the YouTube, like communication skills, how can you improve, and all those things. There are much more videos, you can just go out there. Okay, the tip number 4 is of like keep all documents scanned and saved properly, because if any other chances, like if they want to send like they tell you to send any of the 10th academic reports and all those things, make sure you hurriedly do not do any of the work. So make sure you have to scan all of the documents like Aadhaar card, PAN cards, or all the documents which have been repeated before. So make sure you have the scanned copies which with you, like whenever they ask you can just like upload there and you can go with that. Okay. Tip number 5, that is of like get at least one industry recognized or like appreciated certificate on any of the programming languages. Like if you are going with the programming languages, you can go with the Java, Python, SQL, or with any of the things. Like if you are going with the tools, Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, they are also providing some of the certificates too as well. You can check it out. Okay. So these are the things, like these are the tips which may help you to just go inside that GenC, GenC Pro and GenC Next. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity and apply for this Cognizant GenC 2025 hiring. I hope you find this video helpful, and I want to ask something to you, that is, are you planning to apply for the GenC program or not? And also write down if you want me to make a video on how to prepare for the Cognizant like aptitude coding test. So do let me know in the comments below. So if you found this video helpful, so share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Opportunity One for more job updates and internships. Okay, thanks for watching and all the best for your application, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.